India is a really beautiful country. It's really diverse and there's lots of places to see and experience. Which is why we love adventure riding, because when you have a motorcycle that you can take anywhere, you get to see a lot of stuff. At the School of Dirt. Teach you how to ride your ADV over natural obstacles. It's terrain that we've cut through, but it's very real world situations. Talk about suspension settings, we talk about tires, we talk about how to even pick your bike up when you drop it and carry on. School of Dirt. All you need is a sense of adventure and an ADV.